Hey, content creators, imagine creating stunning videos in just minutes, without any editing skills, fancy tools, or a steep learning curve. Meet InVideo AI, the game-changing platform that turns your text or ideas into professional quality videos in no time. So how does it work? It's super simple. Just type a prompt like explain how AI is transforming healthcare, and InVideo AI does the rest. The platform generates a complete video script, scene-by-scene visuals, voiceover narration, and even the background music and transitions. It's like having a whole production team at your fingertips. Want to tweak something? No problem. You can easily edit text, change visuals, adjust voiceovers, or add your branding all within the platform. That's the beauty of InVideo AI. It's customizable and incredibly intuitive. Now, let's talk features. InVideo AI offers script-to-video automation, realistic AI voiceovers in multiple languages, access to millions of stock photos and video clips, a scene-based editor for fine-tuning, and HD export options perfect for social media or YouTube. It's packed with everything you need to create top-notch content. Who's it for? Whether you're a YouTuber, a social media manager, an online educator, or a business owner making explainer or promo videos, InVideo AI is your go-to tool. It's designed for anyone who wants to save time and still produce high-quality videos. Why does it matter? InVideo AI eliminates the need for complex editing software or expensive tools. It's an ideal solution for creating content faster, cheaper, and smarter, powered by AI. So, if you're ready to transform your video creation process, give InVideo AI a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching and happy creating.